Hello sir, so in this video I am going to show you KNIME Analytics Platform's demo project. Uh, in this project I have set up a system in which with the help of which we are gonna do the data processing and data prediction. So for this we have selected this data set which I have taken from Kaggle. It's a basic sales data set which invoice date, customer ID, country, description and all etc. So I have already put this document into Google Drive. So we are gonna do the Google Drive. We are gonna drive the data from Google Drive. Okay. So first here we are doing the Google authentication. Then we will connect it to we will connect the Google Drive here. And then we do the CSV reading. As you can see, we have uh, drive the data from our from our Google Drive. Here we can see the data. Now we are using this node to basically fill all the remaining value, missing value if it have any. So, and this is for the duplicate. We are doing this basic data processing here, and then string manipulation for description part. This description is basically in some are in capital letters, some are in small letters. So we are gonna do all the small letter. Or we are gonna make all the description letters small. Okay. And then here we are using the max formula node to basically calculate the this total revenue segment. So here, so we are gonna do the prediction for this column only. So yeah, so we have drive the total revenue column here. Then we basically save this data as a clean data, which you can see I have saved it here. Yeah, and then for clean data using this CSC writer node. And then this is for any future prediction which we could use. So basically, we are grouping this data set into like by country or by customer ID or by anything you could you wanted. So so for now, we are moving into the predicting the data. So first we are gonna do the train test data set separately. So we have connected the train data set through this linear regression learner. And then we connect the learning to the predictor, and then we connect the test data set to the predictor, and then we got the prediction, which we have also which we have also saved. Here you can see we have saved the prediction data set. So with the help of this, we have created a Tableau. Let me see. Yeah, Tableau dashboard. So for in this dashboard we have basically three sheets. First sheet basically tells us about in which country we have our sales presence, like in which countries we sell our product and which in which we don't. So with this we could easily find out where we are missing our sales. Uh, and the second sheet is for the total revenue increase, like in which and how our basically revenue is increasing with respect to quarters. For like for first quarter of 2011, we have a slight increase, but for the quarter four, we have a sharp increase. So we can see this. And the last is it is basically revenue per country. So we could find that how much revenue we are getting from each country. Like we are getting the most revenue from UK, and we are getting like very less revenue from other countries. So yeah, so I have created this dashboard which basically shows all of this pretty well, like pretty distributed. So yeah, so this was the KNIME usage and Tableau representation.